Welcome to this tutorial on using EveryDollar Debt Snowball to manage your finances effectively. The debt snowball method is a popular strategy for paying off debt quickly and efficiently. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses, making it easier to implement the debt snowball plan. To start, you need to understand the concept of the debt snowball. This method involves paying off your debts one by one, starting with the smallest balance first, while making minimum payments on the rest. The idea is to gain momentum as you quickly pay off the smaller debts, which will give you the motivation to continue with the larger ones. The first step is to list all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and other financial obligations. Make sure to include the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each debt. Then, sort the list by balance, with the smallest balance first. Next, allocate your income towards essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and food. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline, where 50% of your income goes towards necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Now, use EveryDollar to create a budget that accounts for your income, essential expenses, and debt payments. Set a realistic goal for how much you can afford to pay towards your debt each month. Make sure to include the minimum payments for all debts except the smallest one, which you will pay off as aggressively as possible. For example, let's say you have 2 credit cards with balances of $500 and $2,000, and a car loan with a balance of $10,000. You would pay the minimum payment on the car loan and the credit card with the $500 balance, and as much as possible towards the credit card with the $2,000 balance until it is paid off. As you pay off each debt, use the money to attack the next one on the list. This will create a snowball effect, where you gain momentum and motivation to continue paying off your debts. Best practices to keep in mind include avoiding new debt, increasing your income, and using any extra funds towards your debt repayment. You should also consider consolidating debts with high interest rates into lower interest loans or credit cards. By following these steps and using EveryDollar to track your finances, you can effectively implement the debt snowball plan and become debt-free. Remember to stay consistent, patient, and motivated, and you will be on your way to financial freedom.